Massive controversy erupts over General VK Singh's failure to appear before the J&K Assembly for the second time in a row. Miffed with VK Singh's absence, the National Conference has now demanded action against the former army chief.
Army transfers money to all the ministers in J&K.
Army transfers money to the ministers in J&K?
Absolutely.
Please explain.
Because there are various things to be done.
No, what done?
The ministers have to do various things.
Like what?
There are so many things to be done as part of the stabilizing factor in Jammu and Kashmir.
It was after this comment by General VK Singh on the News Hour that triggered a massive controversy. Former Army Chief General VK Singh on Wednesday failed to appear before the J&K Legislative Council for a second time in connection with a privilege motion against him, even as the Assembly rejected his plea for quashing it, leading to a major tiff between the Congress and the National Conference over the issue of legality of the Privileges Committee.
Major differences erupted between the two coalition partner National Conference and Congress over summoning of General VK Singh in the Privilege Committee meeting. Today, 3 members belonging to National Conference Party walked out when one of the members of the Congress objected and raised question about the legality of the constitution of the committee.
The National Conference also demanding for a non-bailable warrant against General VK Singh.
National Conference member, before walking out, they said they want that the non-bailable warrants need to be issued against the retired general because this is a serious issue and they really want to know what has been the reason that he has given the remarks of payoff being given to the politicians of Jammu and Kashmir.
On the other hand, the miffed NC leaders sticking to their stand.
We seek non-bailable warrants against General VK Singh, for which the provision is that we have to refer the matter to the chairman who can issue the non-bailable warrant. We suggested that and 3 of us voted for me, Dar Saab and Shaukat Saab, we voted for this. Chairman of the Privilege Committee with his another colleague who were in minority refused to accept our version, and so we had no choice but to walk out.
Whereas the Congress too questioning the walkout by the NC.
I don't understand why. That's an apprehension with me that there may be a tussle which will let the issue die down. Our concern is that issue should not die down. Technicalities can be solved. That's between them.
We have seen that earlier, Professor Shafdin Soz, who is the president of the party, he has also objected to the summoning of General VK Singh. But right now, the fissure between the two coalition partners at this point of time seems to have widened and both the parties are on war path. Pradeep Datta, Times Now.